Easy lang der, mahaba pa oras. Yes, 3 points. Dos lang ba yun? Nice, bang, bang.
First personal foul goes Impact. Impact number 18. Pass to number 15. Number 15 is to the ball. And he's going to free.
Diretso.
Second personal foul. It's still number 15.
Parang pinapakita mo, Krister ah. Ando yung tubig ah, yun oh, ang dami oh.
Kamay lang, tol.
Nice. Carlos. Oh, huli. Malaksak. Easy lang, Ner. 2 minuto pa. Alakas.
Going
quarter pa lang. Wala pa. Okay, excited. First quarter pa lang tayo. White ball. Wala na. Okay, okay lang. Diretso. Malakas. Baba, baba, baba. Last shot, last shot.
Inbound number, we need pass to number 15. Number 15, number 15. Pass to number 22. And the first personal foul, first team foul. Ulitin ko yung team natin, bago picture lang yan, mag-ipulit ko naman yan. Inbound number 14, pass to number 28. Ay, ano ba? 29. Number 14, Kanira.
Lakas.
Oh! Let down Shane Ball. Shane Ball. Inbound number 14, pass to number 16. Number 16. Bring it up. Good shot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, pass number 29.
Oh.
Good shot. No good. Good ball. Defender ball. Defender team ball. Number 10, number 1 ball. Pass number 20, beginning of the pass number 22. Number 22, beginning of the number 27, number 27. Eight player. The winning team. Pass number 5. Gonzalez. 17. Number 13 foul. Foul. Number 14. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 26. Pass number 27. Binibigyan number 26 ng bola from Jack Valley Gold.
Oops.
Rebound by number 39. After number 15, number 16, bring it all. Number 16, this is the one, big jack, jump jack, no good. Oh, a dive, the Federal team ball. Number 26, Devon Moore.
Baba, dali.
Who's
konti lang may uniform yata eh. Yung may uniform lang yung pinaglalaro.
Number 26.
Oh, kaya ang aga nila. Wala tuloy player. Tulog pa. Pangalawa.
Second personal foul. 14 foul.
Oo.
1 point. Last 1 shot to Macro.
Isa, tiga-sigaw na lang doon sa gilid.
Take down number 22, pass number 4. Number 4, pass number 20. Number 20, pass number 5.
Oh. Uy, konti lang kayo. Wala kayo pampalit.
They'll do it. Left 1 chance to touch round. One point. Take down number 13. Pass to number 29. Number 29, back to number 14. Back to number 29. Number 29.
Ako lang.
Pass to number 28. Number 28. Take the ball. Pass to number 29. Number 6 is here. It's there by number 20. Number 20. Oh. Outside. Number 28. Take the ball. It's there by number 26. Pass to number 20. He's there for 2 points. Take the ball number 28. Number 28. Take the ball. Pass to number 28. Bingo. In down. Number 18. Pass to number 28. Wow! Number 18. Ano po masasabi niyo? Tatlong na po ito ulit tayo. First personal foul, 13 foul. In down, number 4. Pass to number 20. Back to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 20. Just no good. You want the number 20. Pass to number 16. Israel for 2 points. Number 16. Number 4. Ulamatula. Lumalapit. Good chance. No good. Bring up the number 5. No good again. For 2 points. Number 5.
Bola, bola!
28. Pass to number 58. Number 58, pass to number 28. Here we go. Number 58 to the shot. Here. They go to outside.
Wala silang pampalit eh. Pagod sila hanggang mamaya.
Number 5. Number 4, Pinabala bola. Naghahanap ng papasan eh. Nakita si number 22, pinili kay number 4 ang bola. Pinasa naman kay number 26, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 28 ang bola. Number 28, pinabala ang bola. Number 28, pinili sa top. Pinasa kay number 14, for 2. Number 14. Pinabala ang bola ni number 4 ng defender team. Number 4, pinili the ball. Pinasa kay number 20, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 20 ang bola. Kulang sa PNBB. Number 28, no good again. He's got it now. Number 28, for 2. Down, number 40, pass number 16. Number 16 going down. Number 16, jump shot.
Nice!
We need three more ball line. Number 15. Number 15. Oh, he's down. That is number 86. Number 86. Foul. Number 16. Second personal foul. Warning penalty. 1 point. Last one shot to background. No good. Move on to number 69. Number 69. Ginawa na ang bola. Number 69. Ginawa na sa. Oh! Foul! Number 4.
Sabi sa...
Sabi mo kung sasat kayo, lapit kayo. One point. Last one chance to pass around. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Sinabang ang bola. Sinabang. No good. Oh. Outside to Pedro Pinto. Rebound number 22. Oh, still there are time for Wayne Jr. Rebound number 22. Pass to number 23. Just that. No good. Number dapat walang away. Laro lang.
Isi! Second quarter pa lang, isi!
Number 28 down, pass number 28, pass number 26. Number 26, pass number 27. Today, number 26, grab that. Good good. Away number 11 bola. Pinasa bola number 11, pinasa sa outside. Ball.
Dito.
Rebound number 28, grab that number 26.
Beng-beng na naman! Bumeng-beng na naman si Crisnera!
Number 16. Number 7, pass number 38. Foul. Good foul. Number 3.
Init kasi ito kanina eh. Andun yung araw eh. Ay, dito ako pumesto eh. Init, bumalik-balik ako. Kamay pa yun. Ano? So sana ako pumesto para gitna. Paraw! Kaya ngayon wala na oh. Hindi.
Rebound by number 39, pass to number 11. Number 11 is straight back in. Number 16, that now to number 27,
Pauwi na niya ah.
number 28.
Malaksak. Oops, outside. Step in. Number 50, here's the ball. Jack there again. No good again.
Who's down? Number 28. Second, 28. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 1 point. Last one shot.
Gulat nga ako, second game kagad sila eh.
Dapat hapon eh.
Kaya nga alam ko hapon kasi may mga 11-14 eh. 8.
Umaga.
No good. One number is number 28, number 28, ang pinaka number 11 na bola. Pinaka number 28. Oh, number 38 for him. Number 28, K-Pop. Number 27, pinaka ang bola. Pinaka number 28, jump shot. Rebound number 28, passing number 15. Number 15, passing number 18, got that no good. Rebound number 5, passing number 26. Number 26, here with the ball. Passing number 27, number 27. Into the ball, jump shot, no good. Boy number 28, number 30.
Lakas.
No good. Jump shot. Number 11, number 7. No good. Number 13, number 13, bring the ball. Number 13, jump shot, no good. Number 5, no good. Number 16, Mamola. Number 11, number 11, no good. Number 16, pass number 3, pass number 16.
Isa na.
Number 16. No good. Last one shot to Velcro. Lamang na doon ang isang puntos ang defender team. Score 33-34. Para ang home score. 1 point. Yan, all 34. Rebound number 26, pass to number 4. Number 4 is the ball. Number 27. Number 27 from last up. Yeah, no good. Rebound by number 5. Foul. Number 28. Number 28. Third personal foul. Number 11, pass to number 16. Number 16, back to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 28. Number 28, number ball. Number 14, number 14. Yeah, no good. Number 4, Daniel Green. Number 27, pass to number 26. Number 26, Jack Dad. 3 points. Number 15, pass to number 15, number 15, pass to number 11. Number 11, back to number 15, Jack Dad.
Nice. Bang, bang. Bola ng Tres si Cristera. Binawi. Binawi, binawi.
Sana hindi siya kumain.
Oops. Lay up. Lakas. Ah, pumasok.
Number 11.
Tingin sa bola, tingin sa bola. Huwag magmadali. Yes. Kumaka na ng tres sila. Wala, hindi po mapasok tira ni Esquera.
Tumatakbo pa po ang third quarter. Second, personal foul, 17 foul. Jump shot in number 11, no good. Number 3, no ball. Pinasa ni number 27. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 20. Number 20, tumatakbo.
Oh, grabe din.
Violation.
So, ano nangyari kay Gary?
Defender team ball. Inbound, number 22, pass to number 4. Number 4, going down. Number 37 na bola, big shot. Number 28, lumapit sa lane. 2 points. For 2 points. Number 11, number 15. Jump shot. No good. Number 3, number 28, lumalakad.
Galing ah. Nice. Nice. Very good, Esquera. Oh. Wala. Oh, sumalaksak.
Back to number 11. Back number 15. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Good ball. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 14. Number 15. Sugal step. Tinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 26 sa Only number 29, pass to number 16.
Hintay mo lang.
Number 15, put the ball. Oh, foul! Number 4. Third personal foul. First team foul. It's brought to number 11. Tumalaksak pero pinasa kay number 23. 18. Number 16. Pass to number 13. Back to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Jump shot.
Nice! Tao, 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 tao! Bantay!
Pass to number 22. Instead of the moment, now we're putting in number 13. Number 13.
Go! Bola!
29.
Bola yung bola.
Number 5. Pass to number 4. Jump shot. No good. Now we're putting number 20. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Now we're number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 13. Jump shot. No good. Now we're at number 16. Number
Baba, baba! Baba, baba!
Give the ball. Number
Baba.
11. Pass to number 15. Jump shot.
Nice, baby!
Number 20, sumalaksak, niliyap, 14 points. Inbound, number 23, cross to number 11. Number 11, cross to number 11. Number 11, over the ball, jump shot, no good. Open, number 22, pass straight to number 6. Number 4, going to the bola. Number 4, take the ball. Pass to number 16.
Nice, Stin.
Number 14, number 16.
Hintay mo ka lang.
Number 15, jump shot.
Nice! Pinapakitaan ako ni Krister.
Number 4,
Parang gusto ng pastel.
Number 5, pass to number 20. Binigyan niya number 22. Number 22, back to number 4. Jump shot.
Wala!
Nakuha ni number 11.
Baba, baba!
Number 11, pass to number 16.
Nice!
Nakuha ni number 13, pass to number 22. Number 22, jump shot.
Wala!
Nakuha ni number 4.
Oh, step in!
Substitution.
Pagod.
Binabaan ang bola ni number 11. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ang pasa kay number 23. Jump shot. No good again. Rebound by number 5. Sabi ka pala sa nakuha ni number 22. Foul! Kumpleto na ang firma ng teacher mo.
Graduate!
The Rodway. Makakapag-abroad ka na, Aiba.
Hindi ka pa umabot na po.
Inbound, number 20. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 28. Number 28.
Oh!
Number 23. 23. Third team foul. Number 22. Flash shot. Oh, foul. Who's foul? Again. 23 again. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Last one shot to Pedro. No good. Number 14 ang bola. Peter. Still by number 26. Ng defender team. Number 4.
Traveling! Sab.
Kalingin is nakita-kita mo agad yun. Way down, number 11. Pass to number 28. Number 28, dribble the ball. Number 28. Diretso. No good.
Nice.
Ngunit ang
Foul.
pinigil mo. Outside, defender team ball. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 54-56 in favor of defender team. Number 26 naghahanap ng papasala. Nakita si number 22. Diretso na. That's all for team. Inbound, number 28. Pass to number 11.
Tingin sa bola, tingin sa bola.
Pass to number 16. Jump shot. Made it.
Walang rebounder.
Number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Jump shot.
Yeah!
Number 26, binababa ang bola. Number 26, saves the ball. Pass to number 5.
Yeah!
Pass to number 14. Bigay number 16. Jump shot. No good. Nakawin number 20.
Padali si Chris.
Number 20. Diretso na.
Oh!
Pass to number 23. Number 23. Send it up. Number 22. Pass to number 27. Number 27, play the ball. Back to number 26. Ayun, number 1 and number 26. Back to number 27. Number
Rabilin!
violation.
Kristen, parang magpapastil tayo mamaya.
Number 23, pass to number 11. Number 11, moving down. Number 11, pass to number 23. Number 23, play for the ball. Number 23, tumalak na.
Oops! Okay.
Number 1 and number 5. Nagdepende si Lobola. Ipinasa kay number 27. Number 27, play for ang bola. Number 27, jump shot. 20 points. Rebound number 23, pass to number 11.
Dalawa.
Number 11, pass to number 15. Jump shot.
Oh!
Number 27, pinabangan na rin ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 26. Number 26.
Oh!
Number 28, running to Robbie penalty.
Wala!
1 point. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It's all 62. Last one shot. 1 point again. Lamang na po ng isang defender team.
Tingin sa bola!
Number 11.
Tingin sa bola, tingin sa bola!
Number 11. Castro. 1 point.
O, isa pang puti! Ay, rebound!
Rebound number 5, pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 22. Binigay kay number 28 ang bola. Number 28.
Oh!
Same ball. Ano ba? Simple. Rebound number 28. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Jump shot.
Lock!
Follow up with number 22 again. Follow up with number 26 sa bola. Number 26. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Jump shot. Number 2. It's got it now. Foul. Number 28. Number 28. Pumipili sa mga teacher. Broadway.
Okay, isa lang, isa lang!
Okay, good shot for Castro. Number 22. Nagpunta pa yun. One time. Number 14.
Isi pa.
Number 15. Back to number 11. Number 11. Mamalaksa. Pero binigay niya ang free jump shot. Not good. Nakapin ang bola. Bola ni number 14. Foul! Number 27. Number 27. Number 8. First personal foul. 13 foul. Number 15, back to number 13. Taking number 11. That's 30 and 8 seconds. Number 11, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, pass to number 4. Nawala pa rin ang ayun. Nawala na number 26 na ball. It's still there, number 16. Number 18. Now, number 87. Second personal foul, running to penalty. In down, number 16, pass to number 14, pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot, no good. Number 3, number 11, oh. Defender team goal. Number 27, pass to number 26. Naabot pa rin ang number 26 na bola. Number 26, dribble the ball. Pass. It's still there, number 16. Number 16, number 17. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 27. Last 26 seconds. Easy layup.
Nice.
Penalty. Number 16, first personal foul. Remaining time is 23 seconds. Score 66-69 in favor of the Bengal team. 79. Okay. Sino ba ba yung Carlo? Okay. Madam. 8 seconds. 14 seconds. Shot.
Isang tres tapos foul. Ler, tres.
Number 23. Number 23, pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 22. Down. Number 14. Huwag niyo pong hawakan o sandalan ng braso. 1 point. Number 16, pass to number 23. Number 23, oh wow, number 5.
Mga ganun tira sana. Oh.
Take a one point. One point again. That's something second. Patrick to number 28, 6. Binigyan ka number 28, 3. Number 11. Pass number 16. Number 16.